Good morning, students. Our today's topic in the subject of mathematics is fractions and decimals. This is very important topic. Questions from this topic comes in paper number 2 as well as in paper number 1, particularly paper number 1. So we are going to solve different kinds of questions in this topic on the board. So come now. Here is a question. Find the largest value and the smallest value, and here are two questions. One is this one and one is this one. In first question, fractions are given, unlike fractions are given, and in second question, decimal and fractions are mixed. So whenever there comes the mixed, unlike fractions, so the first thing to decide which one is the largest and smallest, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. So 2, 3, 4 and 5's LCM will be 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, and 5 ones are 5. So the LCM is 2 twos are 4, 3s are 12, 5s are 60. So 60 is the LCM. The next step will be we will multiply 60 with every fraction. Look now, 60 multiplied by 1 by 2, 60 multiplied by 2 by 3, 60 multiplied by 3 by 4, and 60 multiplied by 4 by 5. And now we will solve them. So 2 30s are, 3 20s are, 4 1s are, and 4 5s are, and 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So the first value will be 30, second value will be 22s are 40, third value will be 15 3s are 45, and fourth value will be 12 4s are 48. So the method to solve these kind of questions to find the largest and smallest, first we will convert the fractions or decimals into whole numbers. So here are the whole numbers now. From here we can check which one is the largest, which one is the smallest. So look now, first requirement was the largest. So the largest is 48. That is actually the fourth value, and this is the fraction whose fourth value is this one. So 1 2 3 4. So fourth is 4 by 5. So we will write the original value. Okay, smallest value. So look now, this is the smallest, which is actually the first one, and the first fraction is 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Likewise, this question will be solved as well. So first we will convert these numbers into whole numbers. So look now, this point will be cancelled, here will be 100. This point will be cancelled, here will be 10. We can cancel this as well. So 2 2s are, 2 5s are. So now we will take the LCM of 20, 100, 5 and 25. So look now, 20, 100, 5 and 25. So first, 2's table, 2 1s are, 2 zeros are, 2 5s are 0, 5 and 25 will come as it is. Again in 2's table, so 2 5s are, so 2 25s are, 5 and 25 will come as it is. So here will be the 25 answer. So 25 2s are 100 and 100 2s are 200. So the LCM is 200. So we will multiply 200 with each and every fraction. So when this fraction will be multiplied by 200, so 20 10s are 200 and 10 7s are 70. Here will be the first number. When this fraction will be multiplied by 200, so 100 2s are 200 and 2 39s are 2 9s are 18, and 2 3s are 6 and 7. This will be the number. When this number will be multiplied by 200, so 5 4s are, and 0 40 will be there, and 42s are 80. And when this number will be multiplied by 200, so 25 8s are, and 8 11s are 88. So from here, the requirement is the largest and the smallest. So look now, the largest is actually this one. And this is the fourth value. And fourth value is coming from here. So 11 by 25. And the smallest one is this one. So this is the first one, and first one is this one. So 7 by 20 is the answer. So this is the method to solve these kind of questions. So here is a question. The requirement is arranged in ascending or descending order. So again, if fractions or decimals comes, or maybe a mixed pattern may be also there. So if mixed numbers or fractions or only decimals come, and the requirement is arrange the numbers in ascending order or descending order, the method will be first convert all the numbers into whole numbers, because when you will get whole numbers, that will be very easy then to arrange in ascending or descending order. So look now, here are fractions given. So first we will take the LCM of the denominator. So 24, 8, 3 and 16. So here are the numbers. First we will take the LCM. So look now. So 3 8s are 24. 8 will come as it is. 3 1s are 3. 16 will come as it is. So from here, for example, we will divide 8 1s are 8 1s are, 1 will as it is, 8 2s are 16, and then finally 2. So 1 1 1 and 2 1s are 2. So 3 8s are 24, 24 2s are 48. So now we will multiply 48 with every fraction. So look now, 48 into 17 by 24, 48 into 5 by 8, 48 into 2 by 3, and finally 48 into 11 by 16. So look now, we will cancel. 16 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 6 are, 8 6 are, and 24 2s are. And now we will solve them. 2 17s are 34, 6 5s are 30, 16 2s are 32, and 11 3s are 33. So for example, if the requirement was arrange the numbers in ascending order, so from here we can see ascending order is actually from smaller to larger. So this is the most least value. So this is the second. So second fraction will come first. So 5 by 8. After that, this is the next value which is greater than this. This is the third value. So this is the fraction that should come after this. So 2 by 3. 10. After this, this is the value. So this is the fourth one. So this is the fraction. This is the fourth value. So this is the fourth fraction. So 11 by 16. And finally, this is the maximum value. So this is the first one, and the first fraction is 17 by 24. So this is the ascending order. If if we are required to find the descending order will be also decided by these numbers. So descending order is actually from maximum to the minimum. So then this number should be written first, then this one, then this one, then this one. Not these numbers, actually fractions will be written. So these number will decide the fraction. So this is the method, students. Here is another important question, express in recurring decimals. So when some fractions of this kind come in the paper, so the method to solve them into recurring decimal will be, I'll solve them on the calculator, students. So look now, this is the calculator, and 5 by 9 is the requirement. So 5 by 9. So this is the answer, 0.55555. So the method to write this fraction will be, first we will divide it on the calculator or manually, and the numbers which are repeating, we will put a dot above that number. So because the on calculator you can see 0.55555, so 5 is actually repeating, rest of the values will remain same. For example, a 0.5 will remain as it is, only 5555 is repeating, so 5 will be written one time and a dot will be placed above it. So this is the second part now, that is 19 by 48. So look now, 19 by 48. So the answer is 0.39583333. So if you can see, first 5 digits are not repeating, that is 0.3958, up to this not repeating, but after that 3333. So we will put one dot above 3 because only 3 is repeating. So look now, the method to write the answer is 0.3958, and 3 is repeating, so 3, there will be a dot above 3 only. So the next question is 100 by 99. So look now, 100 by 99, so equal, look now, answer is 1.01010101. So look, 1 point will remain as it is, and after decimal 010101 is repeating, so we will put point above 0 and 1 because 2 digits are repeating. So whatever the things which are repeating will get point above that. So the answer will be 1.01, and here will be dot. So these are recurring decimals. The next question is, express correct to number of decimal places shown in bracket. So first part, 0.0377. So we are required to round off this number up to 2 decimal places. So up to 2 decimal places are this place. So we will look exactly immediately after that, that number is 5 or greater than 5. So we will add 1 in this digit. So 0.04 will be the answer. So this is the number which is rounding off to 2 decimal places of this one. So in this number we are required to round off this number up to 1 decimal place. So 1 decimal place is here. The number immediately after that is 5 or greater than 5. So we will add 1 in this number. So 14.9 will be the answer. That is correct to 1 decimal place of this is the answer of this number. So in this number we are required to round off the number up to 3 decimal places. So 3 decimal places are up to this one. So we will look the number immediately after this. So this is lesser than 5. So this number will remain as it is. So the answer will be 0.311. So it will remain as it is because the next number is lesser than 5. So this is the method of solving this kind of question. So the bottom line is, if the next number is 5 or greater than 5, 1 will be added to the previous number, and if the next number is lesser than 5, the previous number will remain unchanged. So this is the technique.